All right, some breaking news coming in at this moment. The Supreme Court has upheld the Kerala government's decision on banning liquor sale in bars and restaurants. All appeals filed by restaurant and bar owners has been dismissed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court pronounced on its verdict today on petitions challenging the Kerala government policy restricting the sale and consumption of liquor at the bars in five-star hotels only and rejecting in fact other hotels serving liquor at bars from the business. Hotel and restaurant owners had appealed against this ban, calling the policy arbitrary and discriminatory. State of Kerala had told the Supreme Court that it will phase out liquor in Kerala gradually. Anusha Soni now joins us with all the latest. Anusha, can you tell us, number one, what was the petition saying and what has been the ruling of the Supreme Court?
Sanket, as you briefly mentioned, that the key argument was that you cannot allow the sale of liquor in five-star hotels and exempt the lower, say the 3 stars or the 2 stars not to sell these places. Also, one of the key arguments was that placing a ban of this sort in a state like Kerala, which has one of the highest per capita consumption of alcohol, just to point out, about 26% of the overall alcohol in India is consumed in Kerala. So one of the arguments was also of the effectiveness, that if you have a ban like this, it cannot be effective. However, the Supreme Court has taken account of the assurance given by the state of the Kerala that this is one of their gradual moves to phase out alcohol from the state. This is not going to be one-stop policy where they stop it here and allow the 5 stars to continue with the same. In the coming year, they are going to formulate a better policy and also make sure that this liquor, the alcohol, is not even sold in the 5 stars. So, of course, these are 2 important points coming in. One more, very briefly, I'd like to mention a point about the Attorney General. It was very rare to see in the legal circles that the Attorney General appeared in his personal capacity for the Hotel and Bar Association. And there was much, controversy about the fact that the Attorney General appeared. Kapil Sibal appeared for the state of Kerala, and it seems that Sibal's argument found some merit with the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has said that the appeals are dismissed and only 5 stars will be able to sell liquor.
Absolutely. Revati Rajivan also now joins us. Revati, what is the impact going to be on the ground? Because this grudge that was there, as far as the Liquor Association is concerned, was that why has there been an exemption for 5-star hotels? However, the state government now says, armed with a Supreme Court order, that this is only phase-wise removal of liquor from the state of Kerala, and eventually it will be removed from 5 stars as well.
Well, Sanket, first to take a little of the background, take a look at the background of this case. In April this year, Kerala High Court had upheld the state government liquor policy that said all bar hotels except the 5-star hotels cannot serve liquor anymore. So right now in Kerala, it is only the 27 5-star hotels and the government-owned outlets which are selling liquor. The rest were allowed to operate as beer and wine parlors. It is this very move that the bar owners questioned, saying that it was discriminatory that you allow one particular star hotel to operate as who can sell liquor and the rest you don't allow, which is discriminatory. I mean, it will only lead to people allow the rich to actually have liquor, and the others cannot have access, cannot buy liquor from 4-star and 3-star hotels. Well, that is one. And secondly, the bar owners had also said that it was their fundamental right to sell liquor. Now, both have been quashed. The petition has been quashed, and right now, according to the Supreme Court, 27 5-star bars will continue to function here. Now, the impact of this, we have seen that earlier when the liquor policy came into effect, the bar owners had come out and...
All right, Revati, do stay on with us. We are getting some reaction from the Supreme Court. Let's cut across live.
So, what we do, this is our faith, and we will do next step.
What are the arguments made by your advocate in court during hearing?
During hearing, we are mainly discrimination. This is the main thing. Thank you.
All right, that appears to be the lawyer from the, or at least a petitioner from the side of the hotel owners, the second 2-star and 3-star hotel owners who will now not be able to sell liquor. That seems to be the latest breaking news at this moment, that the appeal of bar owners has been junked by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has upheld the Kerala government ban on the sale of liquor, which pretty much means that for the moment, only 5-star hotels in Kerala will be able to serve liquor. it will not be served in bars as well as restaurants in Kerala. But the Kerala government also feels that in a phased manner, they will be able to phase out liquor completely and Kerala will become a dry state.
On to some entertainment news now. Bollywood actor Salman Khan turns 50 today. A grand midnight birthday party was organized at Salman's Panvel house, where all his family members, relatives,